All right, let's do cancel Johan. Guys, which engine should be your I um I guess I'll take Thomas, the the engine. Because that will be Johan. Yeah, Johan. He will be here right here. All right. All right. Let's see if I. Okay. I can hit the buffer. Let's find the train to push Johan into the. All right. Here we go. We found it. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. Let's stand and show Johan. Do. Wait. No! What? I choose that. How? It probably. What? I need to reset. What? 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 I, I, city of. No, I wouldn't take it. It's too long. I guess I'll just take Henry. I guess. Or Edward. Yeah, I'll take Edward. All right. I could. Okay. Oh no! I derailed. Okay. Now I will delete it. Okay. Now. Okay. All right. Let's choose a new one. All right. It's Henry. Push and go. Today is. All right. Let's start. Today, Johan is going to ship some everyone. I gotta kill him, said Henry, and he puffed away. He was going to push Johan into the abandoned house. I found him, said Henry. There we go. Uh, So then Johan realized that he can't move because he don't have any driver. Then Johan realized that Henry is going to push him. Oh no! Said Johan. Oh, and then Henry push him into the abandoned house, and that's all. And he Johan was now promised he will never ship again.